hello, okay, this is the Trellis Wi-Fi. I'm gonna turn it on, and then it's on. And then from here, you can do a couple of built-in animations. So let's see, if I press and hold these three buttons like that, and then I go, you get a little crazy LED animation going here. But anyways, and then press this to stop. That's the built-in animations, pressing buttons and all. Now I have it configured for an MQTT server, so I'm gonna put it down here. And then this variable, start a mosquito subscriber with these two, the battery and the buttons, right? So I press that. So now if I press button number 1, for instance, get an event, and there it goes, event. Button number 1 pressed. If I press numbers 1, you know, a couple buttons like that. Hex value of the buttons. That's for the short press. So that's fun. And now I'm going to the other screen and do this. And now I can get my battery. See that over here. Okay, do it again. So that's me doing a ping and then getting the battery, and then you see it animate like that, like that. And it's just gonna move it around, counter 6. And then while it's doing that, I'm gonna go and setting a pixel and then making it blink and making it red and then shifting it to the last position. So I go here and do that. And there it is, a little red button blinking. And then I can just go ahead and stop everything by going here, like that. That will stop everything. If you go here, Trellis Wi-Fi, you teach you everything you want to know, including configuring the MQTT server and everything that I have done before I started the demo. And that's your website. Have fun.